It's been a long time since we harvested these green beans. They have all turned yellow. We can't even finish eating them all. This year, these green beans are still growing very well. Our eating speed can't keep up with their growth speed. Sister, are you going to wash the vegetables to make breakfast?
I'm washing some vegetables to mix with liangpi. The weather is so hot that I don't feel like eating it all.
Eating some mixed liangpi is quite comfortable and pleasant.
Sister, your green beans look so good. Should we take them to cook and eat?
We'll take them to eat together with the liangpi. That's right. I have eaten this liangpi before. It's delicious. You can add any kind of seasoning.
It smells so good. Yesterday evening I ate 2 packs all by myself.
That's quite comfortable and pleasant. Let's go back and cook some food to eat.
Let's go mix and eat the liangpi.
Add the pumpkin. Add the green beans. Their liangpi has such good texture and chewiness. Pour it out and you can smell the aroma, look.
Not only is it chewy and good.
When you put that seasoning in, it has all kinds of flavors.
Yes, the seasonings are complete.
Add some shredded carrots. Adding the provided seasoning sauces, chili oil, peanuts, and other flavor packets. Mixed together, it smells so fragrant, complete with color, aroma, and taste. Add some oil, then add the pork slices and stir fry. Add garlic, chili peppers, and green onions. Add cauliflower and greens, then stir fry well. Time to eat Liangpi.
Eating sweet melon soup.
This Liangpi is so delicious. Come and take it quickly.
Oh, this is not bad.
How comfortable. This is the real taste.
It feels so refreshing to eat. This is the real taste.
Their seasoning is just as good as what we make ourselves, haha. Eating Liangpi in summer is sour, spicy, and appetizing. Eating it makes your heart feel comfortable. Come and have some of this melon. Look at this comfortable Liangpi. I want to eat another bowl. Eating this Liangpi feels so comfortable. The more you eat, the more you want to eat.
Eat a little more.
I got another bowl.
Hope you enjoyed this traditional
Help
recipe.
yourself.
Don't
Haha.
forget like, share and subscribe to Mystery Countryside.